Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
The world of farming is changing. From the power and versatility of Steiger and Magnum tractors to the legendary reliability of axial flow combines, Case IH can help you be ready. To learn more, visit caseih.com/be ready.
If your system on your farm is conventional tillage, should you do it in the fall or should you wait till the spring? We'll discuss in today's Iron Talk. Well, with hard ground in the drought areas this year, there have been many farmers that have said, you know, maybe I'll just wait and do tillage later after we get some moisture. I'm looking at it the opposite way. I think we should get the tillage done now because we've got more time if we do make a mistake to get some moisture and get a little forgiveness later on. A good example for us has been our field day site on our farm. That ground has been hard with all the equipment that's run over it and all the people that have run over it. And last year that ground was just rock hard. We got it worked up in the fall, but we still had a few lumps. Now, normally we'll catch some freeze-thaw activity or a little bit of snow over the winter, and that'll help break those lumps up by spring. This year, if you've got some hard compacted soils, what you need to do is get out there and get it done. It may take 2 passes to do what you normally accomplish with 1, and what I would suggest is don't go quite so deep with that first pass. You may have to basically pre-rip that ground and then come back with a finishing blow with a second pass. So a lot of guys that normally would do 1 pass of tillage, this fall they're going to do 2 to try and break those clods down so they're a smaller size, and hopefully by spring everything will be leveled out in their ground. Also, by doing fall tillage, and you do give up a little bit of moisture doing any kind of tillage pass, doing it in the fall, you've got more time to reabsorb some moisture and make it back up. This spring, the farmers in our area that waited to do tillage until the spring, they just never had that time to regain the moisture back to the soil, and those fields are the ones that dried out first in a drought year. So get your tillage done this fall. It may take an extra pass to make sure you don't have lumps out in your field, but it'll pay off next spring when it comes time to plant. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.